In 1951, a poor tobacco farmer named Henrietta Lacks walked into a hospital in Baltimore with a pain in her stomach. She was a black woman, and it was one of the only hospitals in the state that would even treat her. She had cervical cancer, and while they treated her, a doctor cut a small piece from her tumor and sent it to a lab without ever asking her and without ever telling her. Here is what nobody expected. Every human cell scientist had tried to grow in a lab had always died within days. Henrietta's cells did not. They doubled and refused to die. They were the first immortal human cells the world had ever seen. They called them HeLa, and those cells went everywhere. They helped build the polio vaccine. They flew into space. They cracked open cancer research, gene mapping, in vitro fertilization, and the vaccines we use today. They have been bought and sold by the billions, and they built a medical industry worth fortunes. But here is the cruel part. While her cells were making the whole world richer and healthier, Henrietta Lacks was dying in a segregated ward, in terrible pain, at just 31 years old. She was buried in an unmarked grave. Her own family was not even told her cells existed for more than 20 years. And for decades, the family whose mother made modern medicine possible could not afford the health insurance to see a doctor. The woman who gave the world cells that would never die lies in a grave with no stone and never earned a single cent. Sit with that one. Follow for one cold truth a day.